Hi guys, this is Brittany from the Lafayette Public Library East Regional Branch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3-ingredient winter slime. It's 3 ingredients, but there are a few bonus items if you do want to add. So stick around to learn how to make this fun, snowy winter slime. So this is a simple 3-ingredient slime recipe. You're going to need baking soda, contact solution, any brand, and 1 cup of clear glue. It's very important to have clear or else it will look a little fuzzy. If you're okay with it having more of a fuzzy snow effect, you can also use regular white glue. So you're going to pour your cup of glue into a larger bowl. Make sure it is big enough for you to be able to pour everything in and mix. So 1 cup of clear glue. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And 1 to 2 tablespoons of contact solution. Start off with 1, and as you mix, you can switch it. The next ingredients are all optional, but will make it a little bit more winter. So go ahead and mix that up just a little bit. You will get real into mixing it in a second. So I wanted my winter slime to be blue. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 drops of, we put 3 on accident, 2 drops of the food coloring in. You can mix it and you will see that a little goes a long way. So your next options are just kind of see what you have around your house. You can use different types of beads. I have some blue beads and some pearls that I like the particular color of, or you can get foam beads, which you can get at any craft store or Walmart or the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to use this particular color and this particular item because I feel it looks the most like snow. Go ahead and mix a little bit in there. You can play with how much you want. And once you get everything kind of combined together, then you get to start mixing with your hands. You are going to want to mix till you can see everything is completely combined. You might have noticed before that the baking soda wasn't exactly as combined as you might have liked it, and you can still see it's streaky in there. So make sure you mix it until everything is all mixed together. It is going to be very sticky at first, but the more you work it, the more it will be like regular slime. If you do notice that it is not quite coming apart and it's still a little bit sticky, you can go ahead and add that 2nd tablespoon of contact solution. I like to give it about 2 to 3 minutes of working it before you add it, because if you add too much, it won't be fun and slimy at all. So here we go. As you can see, now it looks like regular slime. It kind of looks like it has a little extra snow in it. If you do want to give it a little something sparkle, beads or glitter work. Ta-da!